Yes, hello, and you're welcome to Sunesis Learning Solutions. Today we'll be continuing our junior YEC mathematics series, and today we'll be looking at 2022 theory questions. And we're starting with question 1. And question 1 says, solve the equation on the board. This equation is called algebraic fraction. And one thing is so sure, this type of question is very common in junior YEC. It's very rare that there will be a year that they won't bring algebraic fraction, right? So, solve the equation 3x minus 5 over 10 equals to 8 plus 5x over 5. Now, to solve this, it's quite simple because many people always fear fractions. While fraction is not hard, you just need some logic to do it. But this is quite simple. All you need to do is cross multiply to turn it into a linear equation that is to remove the fractions. So, if we cross multiply, what do we have? We have 5. We multiply this. So, 3x minus 5. And it will be equal to 10 multiplying this 8 plus 5x. Alright? Now, this number outside the bracket, we multiply the two things inside. The same thing with this. That means 5 times 3x will be 15x minus 5 times 5, 25 is equal to 10 times 8, 80 plus 10 times 5x, which is 50x. Alright? Now, connect the like terms. Let the like terms connect with themselves. That means it will be 15x minus 50x, because when this plus 50 come here, this sign will change. Oh, sorry, this is 80. 80. It will be equal to 80, and when this minus 25 come here, the sign will change to plus, and it will be 25. Now, 15x minus 50 will give you negative number. That will be 15 minus 50, which will be 35, but negative. Now, you can do this in a simple way by first subtracting 15 from 50, which will give you 35, but you should know that since 15 is smaller than 50, you're going to get a negative number, which is equal to 80 plus 25, which is 105. Now, we need to divide through, because we need our x to stand alone. So we divide by the coefficient of x, which is minus 35. Alright? Alright. So here we go. This minus dividing minus, we turn into plus. That means we have x equals to, now for 35. 5 here, 7. 5 in 10, 2. Right? 5 in 5, 1. Alright? Then 7 here, 1, 7 in 21, 3. That means x equals to, but you remember we have negative here, so that means x equals to negative 3. Alright? And that's the solution to the first question in 2022 Junior YEC. We'll look at other questions later.